Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports for this Mercedes that we've taken in part exchange. So this really is a lot of car for the money. So it's got good history with it. Bodywork has got some blemishes as you can expect, but nothing really major to tell you about. I know normally Mercedes have quite rusty arches when we've had a few in before, but these ones are all pretty good. Roof's in really good condition. So it's got the upgraded alloys, it's got the parking sensors front and rear. A few marks there just on the tailgate, right? Looks like it's opened up into a garage door or something. Got a sat nav, a full electric park including roof, leather interior. HPI clear, and even though it's a part exchange car, it can still have 12 months MOT. It's got electric mirrors, folding mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, heated seats. And as you can see, for the age and mileage, it's really is quite a presentable car. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment. So if you'd like to make an appointment or arrange a test drive, just give us a ring and we can book you in. Or if you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.